What makes this material so special? Now, in some cases, this material was told it's special. Through analysis, guess what? Not so special. But some of it is absolutely special. I won't point out which ones on that slide, but there are some that are absolutely special and have been briefed to some very, very senior levels of this government. And they do remarkable and extraordinary things, and they're built in such a way that to this day we still can't replicate it. To this day. So that should be very telling. Material science is a critical piece to this. We can't just sit there and say, aha, I told you so. That's not what this is about. This effort is not about satisfying the natural curiosity of people who want to know right now. As I've said before, there's a difference in giving information right and giving it right now. I am not in the business of giving information right now. I'd rather give it to you right. So you have to do due diligence. You have to understand what it takes to do the analysis and to respect the scientific methods and to respect the people you're working with in government, whether it be the legislative branch or the executive branch. You have to give people time. You have been steeped, many of you, in this for decades. Some of these people are learning about this for the very first time. No kidding. They scratch their heads and say, wait a minute, that's real? That's real. Can you imagine that? So you got to give them time, and then they have to make decisions. Because you can imagine with something like this, there's all sorts of agencies and organizations that have an interest in this. I can't tell you which ones, unfortunately, but you can use your imagination. And it's not just Propulsion. There's other organizations that can look at this, and say, let's say from an armor perspective, right? I put X amount of pounds of armor on a vehicle that slow me down and weigh me down. What if I didn't have to have armor at all? What if I had a way with certain material where bullets didn't matter anymore? It didn't do anything to me.